Example number 2, we have list down first three terms of the arithmetic sequence if the 25th term is 35 and the 30th term is 5. So what we know, we have a of 25 is equal to 35 and a of 30 is equal to 5. So this is arithmetic sequence. We are looking for the first three terms. So we're looking for a sub 1. What is a sub 1? A sub 2 and a sub 3. So since we are dealing with arithmetic sequence, we are going to use a of n equals the first term plus the quantity n minus 1 times the common difference. From here, we can rewrite a of 25. Our 25th term is equal to a of 25 equals our first term, which we do not know, plus 24d. And since we know that a of 25 is 35, we can rewrite this equation as 35 equals a of 1 plus 24d. And at the other side, we can also rewrite a of 30 is equal to a of 1, which is still we do not know, plus 29d. We have 24d and 29d because it's going to be 25 minus 1, that's going to be 24d. And at the other side, we have 30 minus 1 is 29d. And we know that a of 30 is equal to 5, so we have 5 equals a of 1 plus 29d. So we have two equations here, and we can work on this using the elimination of system of linear equation. We have 35 equals a sub 1 plus 24d, and the second equation is 5 equals a sub 1 plus 29d. We can subtract these two equations so that we can eliminate a sub 1. By subtraction, we have 35 minus 5 is 30. A sub 1 minus a sub 1 is going to be cancelled out. And then we have 24 minus 29 is negative 5d. Then we're going to divide both sides by negative 5. Therefore, our d, the common difference, is 30 divided by negative 5 is negative 6. So in addition to what we know, we already know that the common difference is negative 6. And then by substitution, we can substitute the value of our common difference to either the first equation or the second equation. So we have 5. We're going to substitute this to our second equation. So 5 equals a sub 1. We are doing this so that we can find the value of a sub 1, our first term. So plus 29 times the common difference, which is negative 6. So 5 equals a sub 1, and 29 times negative 6 is 174, negative 174. And so we have 5 plus 174 by addition property of equality. Our a sub 1 is equal to 174 plus 5 is 179. Therefore, we can now say that our a sub 1 is 179. Our a sub 2 can be computed by simply adding a negative 6 to our first term. So 179 minus 6 is 173. And 173 minus 6 is 167. Therefore, our first three terms for the arithmetic sequence are 179, 173, and 167 respectively.